I'm out here today at Chester Hill for one of our customers. Basically, they had a lightning strike the other day, and the internet and all the phones dropped out. He spoke to Telstra. They said that there was no problem on their end at the pillar or the exchange. Now, the customer, basically, the pillar is right out the front of his house here. So the lightning strike was quite big. So I've got a feeling this is a lightning arrestor on one of the LIs in the exchange. So we've got, as you can see, I've got the VDSL tester synced up. Now that's been probably, I don't know, almost 5-10 minutes now. Nothing's on that. I've got the internal cabling to test, because with the lightning strikes you can fry the cables and you'll have insulation resistance problems with lightning strikes. But I've also got the earth on today, so you can see here I've got it on mega ohm range, and it's well within specifications. Now I go between A and E and B and E, and that's fine. And on the mega ohm range, and you can see we've got a capacitance. We've got a capacitance kick on that, so he's got a lot of gear connected up to that, so you can see that. But that's fine, so nothing testing wrong with that. And there's no dial tone on the leading cable either. It's totally dead. So this has got to go back to you, Telstra. This is 100% a network issue, and I would put bet money on it that it's actually a lightning arrestor. So you have to send a tech out to the exchange, remove the lightning arrestor, put in a new one, or just remove it, and that should do the trick. All right, thanks, bye.